Cold and cough. Like us, even the animals suffer from cold and cough. Secretions from the nose and eyes, eating less food, difficult breathing, increase in body temperature, cough, sneezing, etc. are the symptoms. Reasons: cold and humid cattle shed without ventilation, infection in the lungs, contagious diseases, etc. will bring this problem. Treatment: ingredients: spreading hogweed, sweet basil, Indian epice, mustard, pepper and garlic. Method: take 4 roots of spreading hogweed, 1 handful leaves each of sweet basil and Indian epice, 10 grams of pepper, 2 garlic bulbs and 10 grams of mustard. Grind all these and mix it with goat milk. Drench this twice a day for 3 days. Fifth medicine. Sometimes the animals, especially the sheep and goat, eat wild mango fruit while grazing. This causes cough. For this, the treatment is like this. Ingredients: turmeric powder, pepper and jaggery. Method: take turmeric powder, pepper and jaggery, half kilogram each. Crush them and boil in 5 liters of water to make a decoction. Put this decoction on the cattle feed and feed it till the cough cures. This quantity is enough for 150 goats.